The landscape of tablet computing is shifting beneath our feet, and if you've been holding off on a purchase, waiting for the perfect balance of power, portability, and price, the wait is finally over. The iPad 12th generation is not just another iterative update. It is a fundamental rethinking of what an entry-level tablet should be in 2026. For years, we have debated whether the base model iPad was truly worth the investment or if you were better off stretching your budget for a Pro model. Today, we are going to tear down exactly why this specific model is poised to dominate the market and why it might be the only tablet most people will ever need. We need to talk about the display technology, the massive leap in processing capabilities, and the hidden features that Apple barely touched upon in their keynote, but which fundamentally change the user experience. When you first hold the iPad 12th generation, the immediate takeaway is the refinement of the design language. Apple has finally perfected the industrial design that balances extreme thinness with structural integrity. The transition to a laminated display across the entire lineup is the most significant quality of life upgrade we have seen in years. Gone is the slight gap between the glass and the LCD, a persistent complaint for budget-conscious buyers. Now, your Apple Pencil interactions feel precise, direct, and tactile, mimicking a high-end drawing experience at a fraction of the cost. This change alone makes the 12th generation feel premium in a way that its predecessors simply could not claim. Furthermore, the bezels have been shaved down significantly, providing more screen real estate without increasing the overall footprint of the device. It fits perfectly in a backpack, a small bag, or even an oversized jacket pocket, making it the ultimate tool for commuters and students. Under the hood, the performance metrics are staggering for a device positioned at this price point. The inclusion of the latest silicon architecture means that multitasking, which was once the domain of the Air and Pro models, is now fluid and responsive here. You can run high-demand creative applications, manage complex spreadsheets, and stream high-definition content simultaneously without a single stutter. We are seeing speeds that surpass mid-tier laptops from just 3 years ago. This is crucial because it means longevity. When you buy this device, you're not just buying a tablet for today. You're investing in a machine that will remain snappy and supported by iPad OS updates for at least the next 5 to 7 years. The thermal management has also been overhauled, allowing for sustained performance during extended gaming sessions or heavy video editing renders, which is a massive win for mobile content creators who want to edit on the go. Battery life often becomes the sacrificial lamb in the quest for thinness, but that is not the case here. Thanks to the increased efficiency of the new chipset and refined power management software, you're looking at all-day battery performance under heavy usage. Whether you're using it for remote learning, professional work, or binge-watching your favorite series, the power consumption is remarkably optimized. Charging speeds have also seen a boost, allowing you to get back to a full charge significantly faster than previous generations. This reliability is what transforms a gadget into a tool. You stop worrying about where the nearest wall outlet is and start focusing on your productivity or entertainment. The camera system on the iPad 12th generation has also received a much-needed refresh. While few people use an iPad as their primary camera, the ultra-wide front-facing lens with center stage support is vital for video conferencing, which has become a staple of modern life. The image processing algorithms have been improved to handle low-light environments much more effectively, ensuring that you look crisp and professional on your calls, regardless of your lighting setup. On the rear, the camera supports better document scanning capabilities and augmented reality experiences, which are becoming increasingly relevant as more educational and professional apps integrate AR into their workflows. It is these subtle, iterative improvements that aggregate into a vastly superior product. As we look at the software side, the synergy between this new hardware and the current version of iPad OS is unmatched. Apple has introduced Specify. See features that take advantage of the refined display and the increased processing power, such as enhanced split-screen multitasking and a more robust file management system. You are no longer fighting the device to get things done. Instead, the interface gets out of your way, allowing you to execute tasks with a speed that is truly impressive. This is the sweet spot for the vast majority of consumers who do not need the ultra-expensive features of the Pro models, but refuse to settle for a laggy, low-resolution experience. Finally, consider the ecosystem value. When you purchase this iPad, you are plugging into a network of services and devices that communicate seamlessly. The ability to copy text on your phone and paste it onto your iPad, the instant pairing with your headphones, and the effortless file transfer via AirDrop are all experiences that define the Apple ecosystem. While individual components might be found elsewhere, the integration remains the gold standard. The iPad 12th generation acts as the perfect hub for this experience. It is the most accessible, capable, and refined entry point into the world of tablets that has ever existed. When you factor in the price, the long-term support, and the sheer capability of the hardware, it becomes clear that this is the device that will define the market for the foreseeable future.